Window wall system options. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we discuss how window wall systems can be pre-built into modules, have casement and projected window configurations, multi-point locks and fall prevention hardware, as well as how swing doors can be included in pre-built modules. Window wall also has many other options. Because window wall is ideally suited for high-rise multifamily projects, windows are included in many. Operable windows can be pre-glazed into modules. Most commonly used are casement and projected. Most applications require the use of a single cam handle operating multi-point locks. Most applications will require fall prevention hardware limit stops at 4 inches. And as mentioned earlier, ADA compliant hardware is an option. Many multifamily projects include balconies, so access to them is required. Swing doors can be included in pre-built modules. These can be singles or pairs. They can be in-swing or out-swing. Because these are being used at higher elevations in higher performing systems, they must also be tested to higher air, water, thermal, and structural requirements than your typical commercial entry. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.